This is my review of the FabFitFun 2018 summer box. I just received this in the mail, and this is such a pretty, this is a gorgeous box on the outside. Okay, first of all, there's always this fun little magazine, and it talks about all the products that are inside the box and articles. Here's the first thing in there. Share to win the box, it says. Okay. So first up, we have a, let's see here, is a sport sunscreen, SPF 50. Okay. And then the second thing we have here, ooh, it's a cute little card holder or coin purse, wallet kind of thing. Super cute. This is a, let's see what's inside here. It says Foreo Smart Beauty Coach is a facial cleansing brush for your face. How cute. So it's a brush. Oh, you see that? It has these really cute ridges for your face. Very cute. I'm definitely going to use that. I have a facial cleanser right now. I use a Neutrogena facial cleanser, so this will be great to get into those pores and everything. Very cool. Okay, there's a package from Pier 1 Imports. And it is a dish. Oh, super cute. Very, very cute. It is a faux marble type of dish for like rings and jewelry. It could be even to hold a candle or something. But I think I'm going to use it on my nightstand to hold rings and jewelry when I take them off before I go to bed. Very cute. From Pier 1 Imports. Oh my goodness. This is a highlighter and contour palette from Tarte. This is amazing. Oh my goodness. This is so worth the box. Excuse me. This alone is worth the summer box because the box is $49.99, and if you use my code, I'm going to put the code on the bottom of the video, look down, in the description. I'll put my code. You can get $10 off your first box. So for instead of $49.99, you get $10 off. Oh my goodness, this is gorgeous. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Look at these colors. Oh my god, I'm so excited. So this is the Pro Glow Tarte kit, and it is gorgeous. I can't wait to use this. Wow, this is so beautiful. This alone is worth the summer box, in my opinion. Okay, and look, there's still more things to reveal. Oh my goodness. Okay, so this is Orlando hair protectant spray. So it's Orlando Pity Play hair protectant spray for damp or dry hair. It's the ultimate preheat styling spray. Oh, this is awesome. So for those people who style their hair with a curling iron or a flat iron or any kind of iron really, or even blow drying, you can use the spray on your hair to protect it. I'm definitely going to use this because I always flat iron my hair, so this is so fantastic. It's amazing. Okay, now we have also a Marianella Body Caviar Black Hawaiian Lava. I'm so excited. This will help, you know, exfoliate your skin. Oh, this is amazing. Oh, I'm so excited. So this is gonna be amazing to use in the shower. And this thing here is what I really wanted. This is one of the things you can select in your box. There was two choices. It was either a towel or a makeup case, and I actually chose the makeup case. There's two colors to choose from. I chose this one because look at this. Oh my god. So this is Yumi Kim, and Yumi Kim has these great products. This is a makeup case. Look at this, so cute, adorable. And then this top piece here, let me try to unzip it to show you. Here's the zipper, here we go. What I liked about this makeup case is that the top of the makeup case, you can put, so there's a little compartment where you can put your brushes, your makeup brushes, so that it's safe and clean and doesn't get ruined. Look at that. You can put your makeup cases in here. Amazing. Oh, and there's a coupon in here for $50 off your next purchase of yumikim.com with the FabFitFun code. $50 off your purchase of $200. So that's an awesome coupon. Very cool. So this is everything in the box. You get the summer box for 2018. You get the makeup case. You get the Tarte Pro Glow. You get the Orlando Pizza Play hair protectant spray. You get the Pier 1 Imports ring holder or jewelry holder. You get this super cute, I don't know what brand it is, but super cute coin purse or a card holder. You get this Marianella Body Caviar. You get this Foreo facial brush or scrubber, I should say. And you get a Sport Coola sunscreen. And so all these items are from your summer FabFitFun box. Totally awesome.